two global HR platforms, both praised for revolutionizing remote hiring. One big question: which one truly delivers in 2025? On the left, Oyster HR, global hiring, simplified and ethical. On the right, Papaya Global, enterprise-grade payroll, compliance, and speed. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what really matters for your business. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, quick mind map time. Here are the main categories we're comparing: pricing, coverage and compliance, payroll and payment speed, analytics and reporting, user experience and support, and target market fit. Grab a mental notepad because we're about to dig in to each one. Let's kick things off with pricing. Oyster HR, first up. Seriously, their pricing is super transparent compared to the usual, and I love that they actually offer discounts for nonprofits and B Corps. Oh, and you don't get charged for onboarding or setup, which, you know, is such a relief for any budget-conscious startup. But I'll say, sometimes you need to jump through hoops for a tailored quote. Not ideal, but not a deal breaker either. Now, Papaya Global. Their base pricing is also clear, so props for that. But heads up, you're going to pay setup and onboarding fees, which honestly can bump up your initial investment. And no special deals for nonprofits or annual pricing. So, if you're watching those pennies, Oyster definitely pulls ahead here. On to coverage and compliance. Oyster HR is all about going global. They support 180 plus countries, which is wild. They talk a lot about ethical hiring and making sure contracts are compliant locally, which is cool if you care about that stuff. Only thing, you're not going to find the most advanced analytics here. Papaya Global covers 160 plus countries. A little less, but still pretty massive range. The big win for Papaya is those automated compliance checks and tax filings. And their regulatory support is next level, honestly. But they don't own entities themselves. It's more through local partners. So that could be quirky if you prefer a direct approach. Honestly, both bring unique strengths here, so I'd call this one straight down the middle, a tie. Let's talk payroll and payment speed, because no one likes waiting around for money, right? Oyster HR ensures payments run smoothly and hit multiple currencies, which is a must. Most folks find their payroll experience reliable, though the exact processing time depends on your region, so not always lightning fast. Papaya Global, on the other hand, absolutely flexes its speed. We're talking salary payouts within 72 hours globally. That's pretty hard to beat. Faster isn't always instant everywhere, but it's still top-tier turnaround in this industry. So yeah, the win goes to Papaya here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that both Oyster HR and Papaya Global let you hire in over 150 countries without needing to open a local entity? Think about how much time and legal headache that saves. That's game-changing, especially in 2025. Diving into analytics and reporting, Oyster HR gives you the basics. You'll get reports, you'll see what you need, but let's be honest, it's pretty bare bones. If you're a data fiend, you might hit that ceiling quick. Papaya Global, though, is basically analytics heaven. You get advanced workforce reporting, payroll analytics, the whole 9 yards. It's perfect if you want those numbers and charts to actually mean something. Caveat, though, it can feel overwhelming at first. Lots going on. Still, if you want power tools, Papaya wins this round. User experience and support coming up. Oyster HR is so easy to use. Seriously, it's smooth, and onboarding is often done in under 2 days, which is kind of insane. Plus, their support gets rave reviews, and they have super clear SLAs. Only tiny gripe: sometimes the pricing isn't right there on the homepage. For Papaya, you get good support too, and they've got a slick mobile app plus customizable HRIS integrations, which is awesome. Setting up can sometimes take longer though, thanks to their partner network. Overall, Oyster steals the show for user experience and support. Last up, target market fit. Oyster HR actually specializes in remote-first, scale-ups, and anyone who wants ethical hiring. So startups and younger companies usually vibe with this. Just know it's not super enterprise-focused. Papaya Global swings the other way. They're built for bigger businesses, or anyone needing those enterprise payroll and analytics muscles. Downside? Smaller companies could get hit with high initial costs. Honestly, both nail their specific audiences here, so this is another tie. All right, if you're a visual thinker, imagine the radar chart here. Papaya really soars on analytics and payment speed, while Oyster dominates pricing and user experience. Coverage and target market, it's pretty even. So, bottom line, Oyster HR is going to be your best friend if you're a small to mid-size, growing, or purpose-driven company that wants something affordable, simple, and ethical. If you're a bigger enterprise that craves deep analytics, super fast payroll, and serious compliance horsepower, Papaya Global is your top pick. Both are solid, but the right choice depends on your team's real priorities. If you're torn between these two or just need some expert help choosing the right global employment partner, reach out. We can help guide you to the perfect solution for your business.